Welcome to a whole new level of road travel with the 2026 Rivian Camper Van, a vehicle that takes the concept of ultimate luxury and adventure-ready engineering and merges them seamlessly. Rivian has already carved a niche in the EV world, but this modified camper van pushes boundaries like never before. Starting with its design, the exterior retains Rivian's signature futuristic look with a bold front fascia and smooth, aerodynamic lines. It's enhanced with off-road body kits, matte paint finishes, roof-mounted solar panels, and custom LED lighting that not only but also functionality when you're exploring remote destinations. Under the hood, or rather under the floor since it's fully electric, you've got Rivian's latest quad motor system. It delivers instant torque to each wheel, making this camper van capable of tackling sand, snow, or steep terrain with ease. The van boasts an estimated range of over 400 miles on a full charge, with rapid charging support getting you back on the road in under an hour. It's also fitted with advanced air suspension, which adjusts height automatically depending on the terrain, ensuring smooth handling on highways and dirt roads alike. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that's more boutique hotel than vehicle. The interior has been completely redesigned with premium wood paneling, sustainable leather seating, and ambient lighting that sets the perfect mood for any time of day. You'll find a full kitchenette with an induction stove, fridge, and sink, plus a convertible dining area that turns into a queen-size bed. There's even a compact bathroom with a smart water system and eco shower. Technology is front and center with Rivian's updated infotainment system, offering full smart home integration. Control lighting, temperature, and entertainment from the touchscreen display or a connected app. The van also features 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise control, autonomous driving on highways, and even a smart voice assistant to help manage your travel plans. What makes this Rivian camper van truly stand out is its blend of sustainability and innovation. With a modular layout, solar charging capabilities, and Rivian's commitment to eco-friendly materials, this isn't just a luxury vehicle. It's a glimpse into the future of green travel. If you're someone who dreams of exploring the world without giving up comfort, convenience, or performance, the 2026 Rivian camper van should definitely be on your radar. If you enjoyed this look into the ultimate luxury camper van experience, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more futuristic vehicle tours and in-depth reviews.